Oh, I hope so. Arnold, it's me, Dr. Morty Levinsonsteinbergerberger. Who wants a cigar? I just had a son. At least that's what she told me. Boy, it's hotter than a Tasmanian steam bath in here. Ha! Ah! I'm going over here.
Hi. I didn't recognize you dressed like that.
Why are you dressed like Karl Marx?
Groucho Marx.
I just flew back from Africa, and boy, are my arms tired. Thank you very much. I'll be here all week.
Dr. Morty, is that really you?
No, actually, I cologned myself. Yes, I cologned myself. And I smelled so good that I made an exact replica of me, and, well, that's who you're talking to now.
What happened to your hair?
Well, I accidentally mixed my Viagra with my Rogaine, and woo-la-la!
Viagra.
No, I have to say Viagra due to copyright infringements.
Copyright.
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 Copyright. Look, you say tomato, I say potato. You say potato, and I say, shut up, you stupid moron, you're giving me a headache. And it's this big, and it's got Excedrin written all over it. Acedrin. I've got a headache this big, and it's got Acedrin written all over it. So, Arnie. So, have you ever been to a Tasmanian sweatbox? I highly recommend it. Okay, open up and say ah. You know what? That's my cigar. Okay, open up. Okay, good, good. Now, turn your head and cough. All right, good, good. Well, you hold this here, it's my crib sheet. Okay, good. We're gonna, awesome. Okay, tell me if you can hear this. That's a tuna fork. Okay, good. Well, now what I'd like you to do is turn your head and cough. Okay, good. What's next on our things?
Blood pressure.
Blood pressure, blood pressure. Okay, we have a blood pressure thing, so what I'd like you to do is hold this up to your nostril. A guy on the street told me this. He said it was a state-of-the-art medical equipment. How's that working? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Yeah, it's not a blood pressure thing. Okay, then turn your head and cough. Okay, good, good, good. One more test, if you would. Turn your head and cough. All right, I like that. All right, bend over. Bend over. Good. Good. All right. Have you been here before? Okay. I don't know what that means. I just thought I'd say it. Well, I think we're done. Just turn your head and cough. Okay, good. Size 7.